Example 3. F of x equals root x times g of x. And they want you to find f prime of 4. So they want to find the derivative of this at 4, input 4. Okay, so to find the derivative of this is a product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my u is x to the 1/2 power. My v is g of x. So you don't even know what g of x is. You just know that's your v, right? So your u prime is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. And my v prime, since I don't know what it is, it's just g prime of x. Then let's just put those together. The square root of x, g prime of x, plus 1 over 2, and on bottom I also have the square root of x, okay, times g of x. Okay, so how do I finish this off? Well, we want to know at 4. Well, what is g at 4? G at 4 is 2, so I can replace that with a 2. And remember, you're inputting 4. So what's the square root of 4? So this is 1 over 2 times 2 is 1/4. Plus, they told us if I input 4 into my derivative, I get 3. So I can replace this with a 3. And remember, you're inputting 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. To finish this off, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1/4 of 2 is 1/2. My answer is 6 1/2.